guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. Alright, so today's video is favorites, fails, and empties for the month of May. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump in. Alright, first and foremost, if you're already subscribed to my channel, I just want to say thank you so very much. If you are not yet subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell, and that way you won't miss out on any videos. Alright, so I have my little basket here. I don't have a ton of empties, and to be perfectly honest, since I do what's new for the week on Sundays, I show you pretty much anything new that has come in, but there are a few things that are favorites, right? Because sometimes something new comes in. I don't know if I'm gonna like it or not. So we'll go through a few. So I've gone through my Micellar Garnier, my Micellar water. I go through this almost every month. I've gone through the L'Oreal Magic Root Touch-Up. I've gone through that as well. And I will be doing a video very, very shortly, probably within the next 2 weeks, on my thoughts on Madison Reed and eSalon, which one worked best for my hair coloring and how they held up. The other thing that I've gone through is, since I am self-tanning, I've gone through the Josie Maran Argan self-tanning oil, and yes, it's already, I have a big giant bottle. It's already, I don't run out of that, I love it. And I've gone through is, there's a little bit left here, but this has been since last year, so I'm gonna get a new one. This is the Josie Maran Whipped Argan Oil Body Butter Tan Extender. So very similar to the body butter, which I have here. I always have it in the beauty room as well as the bathroom. I love this. I love her body butter. It's just rich and luscious and gorgeous. The tan extender one, it does just that, extends your tan. So I'm gonna go ahead, see how that just, I've mentioned this so many times, you guys are probably tired of it, but it's awesome. I've gone through the GoPure Hyaluronic Acid. This one has vitamin C, E, and green tea, so I have replaced that. And I also have gone through the Strawberry Booster by Bybi, and right now it is sold out, so when it comes back in stock, I probably will purchase it. I think it's only around $14 or something like that, so it just happens to be out of stock, which means it's good, right, y'all? And then I've gone through 3 packs of the Kiss Little Black Dress, yes. So, and they're the ones I've been wearing pretty much in every video recently. I have found that these have become my absolute favorite. Also out of the adhesive lash adhesive, so I will be replacing this as well. Under eye patches, the Demora 24 karat gold. I've gone through a complete box and I'm halfway through the second box. These are by far my favorite with regards to fine lines and dark circles. The other ones that I like, I haven't gone through, but they're a favorite, is the Demora Aloe Vera. I have I've done a complete video trying all 4 of the Demora under eye patches, and those are by far my 2 favorites. And my next favorite is, I'm gonna do a picture right here because it's actually sitting over here. It's like on my refrigerator, in my makeup refrigerator. Oh my god, I love it so much. It keeps everything so nice and cool. So what do I keep in there? I will show you. I keep my GoPure Hyaluronic Acid, and I keep my eye patches, and I keep my Youth to the People moisturizer. I had what I thought was going to be a favorite. I showed this in What's New, and this is where things do change sometimes. This is by Wonder Beauty, and this is the extra mileage hair refresher. Okay, do you remember this? You have to shake it because there's sort of this powdery stuff, and you give it a shake and then you squeeze. Here's my problem, look. I'm using all my might. And then see, it won't come up. It sticks. The powder makes it stick. It's a fail. I stick with my favorite, Not Your Mother's. Love that. And like this one as well. The Amazing Oil Absorption Without White Residue. I like this as well. Has a nice fresh smell. That's all I can. It's really hard for me. Like this one definitely smells more like beach. It smells really, really good, like coconut beachy. This one just has this really fresh smell. So these are my 2 favorites. My look what happened. I don't know what happened, but this one is Nude Scene, and someone was just saying, is Estée Lauder out of Nude Scene? And I went online thinking, oh my god, I haven't ordered it yet. And they are out of stock. It does say that it will be back, but Macy's has it. A lot of times, if you can't find a specific color on Estée Lauder, but you know that it's there, sometimes Macy's or Nordstrom's will carry Estée Lauder colors that, you know, maybe Estée Lauder's not carrying right now. So Nude Scene you can pick up, and I will pick up before they go. It's trashed. I mean, there's nothing I can do to save it. Talk about jewelry. There's just a couple pieces I want to mention because although they are very new to me, I can already tell they're favorites. I went out the last 3 days. I've been out. I've eaten at restaurants, and let me just say, here's our rules. We eat at restaurants that that we've obviously been to before, and we know the food is good, but one, that we can eat outside. 2, that they social distance, meaning their tables aren't like, and 3, that their employees wear masks. If those 3 things happen, then we've gone out and eat. And I have to say, I've been so highly impressed by the 3 restaurants that we have gone to. It's been so good to get out, and we did also go to church, and our church was like, bam, they had everything so protected. There was nobody in the row in front of us or behind us, and then in a single row there was 3 of us and then the 2 people at the end, so there were 4 seats in between, so we were probably 7 feet. No, probably more than that, probably like 10 feet. So it was great. I literally was crying because I was so happy because it just feels so good to be back. Like, I haven't seen like people in a really long time. So it was a lot of fun. I'm gonna say a couple things on clothing and on jewelry. This bracelet has seriously become an absolute favorite. I just picked this up and I've worn it 3 times. This is the one by Kendra Scott. Last time I checked, it was on sale. I absolutely love the band, and it is adjustable, and I love the white pearlescent stones. It matches this necklace, so I wore that today. And then the earrings that I'm obsessed with, which I did not show you guys in that with the when I bought the Kendra stocks. I told you there was more stuff. How gorgeous are these? Love the black and silver. It goes so well with this ring. Now this ring, this is from a boutique, so this is not available, but it just goes so well and I love it. And then of course these are the earrings that I did show you, so they have that same shape, which I really love. So I got them in the silver and the gold, and then I picked up these with the black onyx, which I just love. So I'm just obsessed. And right now you can find some really good deals on Kendra Scott, you guys. And then clothing wise, I always try and wear what I'm obsessed with. This is from J. Crew. It has the ruffle detail with the little ruffle sleeves. I love the fact that this is like a dressy button-down shirt, but meant for summer. I bought it in the white first, and then I bought it in the black. You know, everything comes into stock and out of stock, so I'm gonna list it. I don't know if it's in or out of stock at this point, but I love this. And in fact, they had it in like a blue and white stripe that I really want, and last time I looked I couldn't find it, but when I'm listing these, I'm gonna look for it. And then what else did I wear today? With the Ann Taylor culottes. You guys know I'm completely and utterly obsessed with these. I think that they're really lightweight, and yet they are not see-through in any way. They have a good structure to them. They're very much like a chino in that regard. They have pockets. I just love the length. I love that it makes you look nice and thin and trim. I mean, they're just a high-waisted. They're just perfect. And then these are those cute little kitten heels with the sling back. Love these. What I loved was I was like in a hurry and I just threw them on. Everything that I was putting together I have purchased in the last, well, I think I've had the Culottes for quite a while, although I bought 2 pairs. So, but I would say in the last couple months, a lot of these items are new, and it's like I threw them on so quick because I went, wow, okay, cute outfit, out the door I go. And the shoes were simple to just slide in. I walked in them enough to know that they're comfortable, so that's always a good thing. And the little because they are what do you call it? They are a sling back. Didn't slip off at all. Now that's my foot, everybody's foot is different, but they did not slip off on my foot. Now let's talk about some home products. Now I buy a lot of things from Grove, and you all have mentioned that you are interested in my doing a Grove haul. So that's what I will do, because I have a giant box in the entryway. I'm going to take a picture right here. This is what my house looks like at times. So I have a giant box of home decor that I've bought, or kitchen items that I've bought, 2 giant boxes, and then a box of Grove. So I think I'll do an unboxing with you of the Grove items, and then tell you my favorites and some of the fails that I have found. So that will be a video that I'll do. So I'm not going to talk about any of that, but I picked up off of Amazon, and I told you that I was going to mention that because Amazon keeping up with regards to their home decor. So I'm going to show you a few things here and then a few things that I've gotten. So I've mentioned the peonies and the tulips, which I will show you in case you have not seen them. They are great, worth the price, quality, cute, beautiful, comes in an array of colors, recommend them highly. I did pick up some lemons, like lemon twigs. I'll show you a picture of what it's supposed to look like. They're going back. They did not look like the picture at all. So just gonna forewarn you, if you're thinking about that, pass. Go with peonies or with the tulips. Those look good. I also got a wooden tray that I have shown, I think back in Easter I picked it up, and I love it. It's super cute, I love that rustic detail. I'm a girl that likes gray or whitewashed, and that's what this tray is. So it's beautiful, and I'll show you a picture here of it. And then 2 of the potted plants that are on there, those are faux. They come in a 3-pack. And I love those. They are so awesome. They look so good. I have 2 on the tray in my enclosed porch, and then I have 1 in my dining room. But you can put them all 3 together or break them up however you want. Well, then this week, I've had this wooden box, blessed. Couldn't tell you where I got it. I will try to find it for you. I want to say it was probably overstock or something like that. So I had real cactuses, but they just really didn't do well, and you know, it's a lot of work. So I picked up these. Aren't they adorable? I mean, they're so cute. So they came in a pack of 6, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And they just came in this week, so I haven't had a chance, because see how they're smaller? So they fit perfectly, because I couldn't really, but I want them to stand up a little bit more. So what I'm gonna do is order some white rock and put that in and then stand them up. I will post a picture on Instagram once I do that. It sits on my bathroom windowsill, and I just think it looks really cute. Moss would be really cute in there too. Ooh, I don't know, white pebbles or moss. I don't know. You guys will find out when I post it on Instagram. Or I might add it into what's new this week and show you what I end up doing, if I can get it by the time that, I don't even know what day it is anymore. Is this only Monday? It's only Monday. Oh Lord have mercy. All right, so before we end this video, let's go ahead and talk about the giveaway. I have 2 winners in this video as well. So you are going to get 2 gift sets from Estée Lauder. So I don't want to specifically say what it is, because if the gift that I'm thinking sells out by the time this video goes live for some reason, then I'm gonna have to kind of, you know, then I'm gonna have to choose something else. But it will be something that I have used and I have loved, for sure. I will mail it directly from Estée Lauder to you. It's a lot faster and easier that way. So there'll be 2 gifts. So there'll be 2 gift sets sent directly to you from Estée Lauder. Plus they wrap them nicely when you get it like that. That's it. So the only thing you have to do, super simple. Hope y'all got it by now. Click the link in the description box. The only rules that I ask is that you be 18 and over, that you are subscribed to my channel, and that you follow me on Instagram. It's the simplest thing. You just click the little link in the bio, and it'll take you. And then it is a random drawing, but there will be 2 winners for today. Make sure you're entering every contest. I am losing my voice right now. Okay guys, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you Friday. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye guys.